Great! You've managed to make tasty popcorn! Buy corn seeds for popcorn. Let's fuel the seeding machine. Press the pump. Amazing! Drag the hook to the cargo to hang it. That's all. Let's sow the field with corn. Let's fuel the rotary spreader truck. Press the pump. You're doing really great. Let's loosen the soil and add fertilizer for young sprouts. We need to fuel the sprayer truck. Press the pump. We did it! Collect all plants to complete the level. Hooray! Here we are! Let's water the corn crop. And now we need to fuel the harrow track. Press the pump. Ready. Let's remove weeds from the field. Let's pollinate the blooming corn to get more crop. We need to wash the pollinating machine. You're doing really great. And now we need to fuel the corn cob harvester. Press the pump. Keep up the good work. The corn is ripe. It's time to harvest it. Let's deliver grain to the plant and load it into the elevator. Tap on the forward button for the vehicle to move. We made it! Keep it up! We need to dry the grain to get tasty popcorn. Let's load the grain into the elevator. And now let's wash the grain truck. We did it! And now we need to fuel the soil sampling car. Press the pump. Keep up the good work. Let's clean the grain from trash. And now we need to fuel the truck. Pump. Amazing! Drag the hook to the cargo. Keep it up. Tap on the forward button for the vehicle to move. Tap on the forward button to continue moving. Hooray! Here we are! Let's pack the grain and prepare it for transportation. And now we need to fuel the market truck. Pump. Don't stop. the forward button for the vehicle to move. Collect all plants to complete the level. We made it! Keep it up! Let's make popcorn from the grain we've got. Great! You've managed to make tasty popcorn!